Cold press, masticating juicers are prized for their high juice yield, nutrient retention, and ability to handle leafy greens and whole fruits with minimal oxidation. With a price spectrum spanning budget to premium, buyers must weigh feed chute size, motor torque, auger design, and ease of cleaning against real-world juicing needs like pulp control.
List number 1. Juicer machines with 5.4-inch large feed chute. This Ypone model features a 5.4-inch feed chute, a single-speed 400-watt cold-press motor, and a dual filter system stated to reduce clogging with up to 99% juice yield. The design emphasizes safety with a smart lock that stops operation if the lid is opened and a straightforward 3-step assembly with included cleaning accessories. Notably, its large chute aims to minimize prep and pre-cutting when feeding whole fruits and vegetables, a strong selling point for time-strapped households. Performance-wise, the 55 RPM slow squeeze approach is typical for low heat extraction, helping preserve nutrients and flavor while limiting oxidation. The dual 0.3mm mesh strainers are marketed to reduce pulp and improve clarity, which aligns with the claim of high juice yield. However, this model is not dishwasher safe, which increases cleanup time for some users, and its 700ml max capacity requires refilling for large batches. In daily use, it excels for leafy greens, citrus, and softer produce where the large chute reduces prep, and the safety features reduce risk in households with kids.
List number 2. Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer. The Ninja JC151 represents a premium dishwasher-safe cold press option with a 150-watt motor, 2 interchangeable pulp filters, less pulp and lots of pulp, and an anti-drip lever. Its USP is total pulp control and a relatively compact footprint designed for easy storage. It ships with a 24-ounce juice jug and a 36-ounce pulp container, along with a 31.5-inch cord, offering practical capacity for family use and quick meal prep cycles. In use, the JC151 emphasizes minimal mess and straightforward cleanup, aided by dishwasher-safe components and a simple one-touch start-stop plus reverse program. The motor employs a low-speed auger action to produce smooth juice with adjustable pulp content, appealing to those who want customization without a steep learning curve. The practical downsides include a mid-range price point and a 150-watt motor that may struggle with very dense root vegetables or large quantities in one go, potentially requiring batch juicing for larger families. List number 3. Cold Press Juicer. This YOIDS model emphasizes an extra-wide 5.5-inch feed chute and a 55 RPM 250-watt motor for efficient cold press extraction. The large chute is designed for whole fruits and vegetables, which minimizes prep time. It also highlights a removable filter and pulp outlet for easy cleaning and a one-piece body intended to reduce vibration. The 250-watt motor and slow press approach aim to balance power with gentle extraction for nutrient retention. Performance-wise, the 99% juice yield claim aligns with other high-end masticators and is supported by the wide chute that reduces preparation steps. The unit's stabilizing design helps reduce noise and movement during operation. However, cleaning can still be involved due to multiple detachable components, and while it claims dishwasher-safe components, most users will still benefit from hand washing to preserve seals. This model is well-suited for households that value speed of setup and the ability to juice large produce with minimal prep. List number 4. Cold Press Juicer. This gray variant shares the same core wide chute slow press design as the black model, with a 5.5-inch intake, 250-watt motor, and 55 RPM operation. It emphasizes dishwasher-safe components and a broad juice yield capability. The slightly different colorway offers consumers a choice that matches kitchen aesthetics while retaining the same performance characteristics and maintenance approach. In practice, the juicer handles a broad range of produce with ease, delivering frequent high yields and minimal clogging due to the wide chute and dual-stage compression. Cleanup remains straightforward thanks to detachable parts and dishwasher-safe components, though users should still inspect seals and filters for wear over time. This model is ideal for families that want a fast setup with reliable throughput and easy maintenance, particularly when juicing large quantities of produce.
List number 5. AnyBear Cold Press Juicer. AnyBear emphasizes a 4.3-inch feed chute, paired with a 200W motor and high torque of 180 Nm, enabling a claimed juice yield up to 98.9% at 65 RPM. The design uses tritan material for the feed chute and a heavy-duty PMMA auger, aiming to balance safety with durability. It also advertises a 5-year extended warranty and BPA-free construction, which appeals to health-conscious buyers and those seeking long-term confidence in the appliance. In practice, the 4.3-inch chute is slightly smaller than competitors, but still adequate for whole produce with a bit more prep than the 5.5-inch models. The extended warranty is a notable value add, and the tritan/chassis materials contribute to easy cleaning and perceived durability. Users report straightforward assembly and cleaning with a one-rinse method. On the performance side, the 65 RPM operation supports nutrient retention, though the smaller chute means more frequent refills for large batches, unless pre-cutting is accepted.